Okay, in this video, I want to show you how to troubleshoot a basic single pole switch. This switch is hooked up to a scoreboard and they need this working for the All-Star game that's coming up. So this switch you can see has a ton of problems. There's some corrosion down here. When I got here, this pipe was loose and exposed. So we're definitely getting water in here and the switch has just gone bad. So you can check this like this to make sure that it's the switch and not power coming on. So electricity is on to this box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my leads and I'm going to push it to the connecting screw here, and then I'm going to go to the box. And if everything is properly grounded, and since this is in conduit, I have a feeling it is, you can see here I'm getting 120 volts, and that's exactly what I should be getting on one side of the switch when I'm in the off position. So I'll come here, I'll check the top, and I'm not getting anything, and that's what I should be getting. I should be getting voltage to one of these, not the other, if I'm in the off position. But when I go to the on position, I should get voltage to where I know it's coming in and where it's coming out. And I should be getting 120 volts here, and I'm not. I'm getting maybe 1.5 volts, which is just a little phantom voltage. So this switch is bad and needs to be replaced. Single pole switches like this go bad all the time. They're cheap, they're installed in every house, and they're constantly having mechanical action happen on them, so they break. So if you're a starting out apprentice, or if you're looking for a side hustle after work, this is a great way to make some money really quickly. I don't like to use these type of switches. I try to buy one that has a little more oomph to it and is a little more expensive, but it's only $2 or $3 compared to the 50 cents that you can find these for. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead, swap out this whole box because it's rusted. I'll have to drill this out. I'm going to swap the whole box out and then get this scoreboard working so the kids can enjoy their All-Star game. And I'll go ahead and time lapse and you can watch how it works. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And as always, please hit the like and subscribe. All right, so I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to kill the breakers that are right here. Now, this says scoreboard, but when I activated this one, it didn't actually kill the power. So there's another live wire in there as well. So I'm going to kill all 3 of these breakers and just to make sure that no power is getting over to that box.